you heard it's going to be a beautiful day from the Weather Channel.
On weather.com.
On your phone.
And you wonder, how long will it last? And more importantly, what are you going to do with it?
Sometimes those beautiful days are few and far between.
We get that. It's our job.
That's why in the same places you find your forecast, we show you tons of ways to make the most of those beautiful days.
So you can get your plans in before the weather turns, well, ugly.
The Weather Channel for the best weather. Join me for Cantore Stories.
Sunday nights at 9 on the Weather Channel. Now you're local on the 8s.
A heat advisory is in effect. Currently in our area, 79 degrees with a heavy thunderstorm. Tonight, partly cloudy, chance of a thunderstorm. Humid, low 76. Chance of rain, 30%. Friday, sunny along with a few clouds. Hot and humid. High 98. Winds light and variable. Friday night, isolated thunderstorms in the evening. Clear skies overnight. Low 77. Chance of rain 30%. Here's our 7-day outlook.
To PM Edition. You know, Tropical Depression number 5, well, it struggled to survive all the way to the end, but in the end, the National Hurricane Center discontinued the advisory.